Stop here.
Okay, Grandma.
Good boy. Stand up.
Okay, Grandma.
Good boy.
What next?
Turn on the light, dear.
Okay, Grandma.
That's it, the switch.
I did it!
Good boy. See, you can order food right on the phone.
Wow, can I try?
Of course, just tap what you want.
Okay, I got it. Let's order.
Great job, let's confirm it. Eat pizza slowly.
Okay, Grandma.
Good, take your time to enjoy it.
It's so good.
I'm glad. Sharing with you is the best.
Me too.
Open the door.
Okay, Grandma. Go on, dear. Wow, it's so cozy.
See, it's our special place. Sit down on the chair.
Okay,
That's it. Good boy.
it's comfy.
I'm glad you like it. Stop using your phone.
But Grandma,
Put it away right now.
just one more minute? No, now please. Okay, Grandma. All done.
Close the window.
Okay, Grandma. All done.
Thank you, dear. Buy this shirt.
Wow, really? It's so cool.
Yes, I think it suits you.
Thank you. I love it.
You're welcome. Let's find some pants.
Okay.
Listen carefully.
Okay, Grandma.
When I speak, you must pay close attention.
I will. That's my good boy.
Thanks, Grandma. Time to write your homework.
Okay, Grandma.
You can do it.
I'm writing. That's my boy. Done.
Speak slowly.
Okay, Grandma.
That's better. Now I can understand you.
I like talking to you.
Me too, sweetie. Let's go shopping.
Okay.
Hold the fruits basket steady.
Okay, Grandma.
Good. Now, may I have an apple? Yes, here you go.
Thank you, dear. You're welcome.
Wear wristwatch.
Wear wristwatch.
Yes, very good. Wear wristwatch. Perfect, you're so smart.
Thank you, Grandma.
Ride your bike.
Okay, Grandma.
That's it, you're doing great.
Whee! This is fun. Look how fast I can go.
Be careful, sweetie. Draw a painting.
Okay, Grandma. I'm adding green to the tree.
That's wonderful, dear. Clean the table.
Okay, Grandma.
Scrub in circles, dear.
Like this? Perfect. You're doing great. All clean.
Wonderful job. Brush your teeth.
Okay, Grandma.
Good. Now get your toothbrush and toothpaste. That's it. Brush up and down.
All done.
Wash your hands, dear.
Okay, Grandma. Good. Now use soap. I'm doing it.
That's my good boy.